The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get it started. So week started on the 17th February, right? And this is the one of the trade here on the 17th. A couple of entries back to back. Here there was an entry here, and then this is the second entry, right? And all right. So this is pound Newsy. And then after that I had pound yen on the 17th. This is a very classic by the book entry, all the way up this indicator, and nice little short trade, and it went up. The entry was on the 17th. I closed it on 18th, by the way. The target was this, so we hit the target. Once we hit the target, I could close on the 17th again. Well, this is the same trade that I recorded the chart here first, and then didn't close the trade. It went up and then it dropped again more, right? Trying to hit the target. Okay, now on the 17th, Aussie USD again. This is short. You can see the entry here, and SL move to break even plus. All of my trades are according to the setup, not in random not in, areas. I have to have a specific setup to pull the trigger. On 18th now, 18th was a big day, almost like 7-8 trades on 18th. This is pound Aussie. Was here bearish, and then all of a sudden it turns bullish. Beautiful trade here, and then my SL was almost about to hit but didn't, and then it went up more. And then from there I had another entry. I'll show you. And then Euro Aussie on the 18th, again same thing, buy here, right? And then on the 18th, pound Aussie again. You just saw this one, right? This was the entry here, and then later on it came here and then drop a little bit, and then again boom, goes up. So second entry on the 18th for pound Aussie. And here pound CAD did the same thing, beautiful bearish, and then all of a sudden it turns bullish. Yellow is above the black, and it all the way down, and it went up. On the 18th, pound Newsy, after going all the way to the upside, it was start dropping, and I wasn't there. So bad luck to me. And then so one very nice entry here, and then it went up, and but that happens. You cannot sit all the time in front of the computer. Here Newsy USD. Newsy was getting weaker badly, so that's why. So Newsy USD here on the, again the entry was just at the end of like 17 and the beginning of 18 actually. And see, these pairs are Aussie Newsy, Aussie USD, Newsy USD. They don't have big daily range. They don't move much compared to pound Aussie, pound Newsy, pound CAD. Those pairs, Euro Aussie, they move big. Right? So most of my trades are those. On the 18th, again Euro Yen, nice little entry here, sell entry, and it's gone. Euro was all weak. You know that. Right? All week long, badly weakened. Now Newsy Yen again because of Newsy weakness, right? Newsy dollar getting weaker as well. And on the 18th, they are all on 18th, so almost like 8 trades. Then on comes 19, and this is pound yen, as I was expecting. Then it will start to go up, and then this was an entry which I took, but I moved. I took the entry late, and then moved the SL quickly, and then kind of hit the SL, and then again make the entry again. So that happens, yeah. But as long as your SL hit on the break even, doesn't mean anything, right? So on the 19th again here, pound USD, very nice dive from there all the way to the downside. USD strength was also playing part of it. Euro Aussie, again beautiful trade from 7-minute entry here. See, this was a news actually, so I was expecting, I posted on my Telegram channel as well, that the news is about to come, and be ready. And then beautiful entry here on the 19th, goes all the way up. And here again pound Aussie is the same thing, same kind of entry here, and it went up on 400 pip as well. And Aussie USD, that was the first trade I showed you, and then this is another one coming down on 19th, and this is the 20th On the 20th, pound Aussie, my 7-minute chart entry was from here somewhere, and then I cashed that out, and then it started dropping, and then it dropped more. If the price retraces more on the 7-minute chart, it actually making a 20-minute setup. And also this one also I posted on my Telegram that now EUR-AUD making a 20-minute setup, so watch out. I think I still have it here. I just saw it. See this right there. See, now EA is gonna make a 20-minute long. Watch out. And then I took the entry and I posted the chart later on that this was my entry and this is my trade. So this is how on the 20-minute chart, beautiful 90 pips on the 20th, and I think that's okay. Here Euro-AUD, nice entry here, and then see these pairs. I mean, I'm talking about the pound AUD, Euro-AUD, pound Aussie. They move really big and fast. So if you find an entry, and finding a perfect entry is the key. So as if you find one and then you get in, big trades you can get. And on the 20th, CAD yen, nice entry. There was a big move, and this hardly was an entry, right? But yeah, I took that one. And then euro yen again here, very nice trade, beautiful entry. And yen start to move up, yen index I'm talking about, and start to get weaker very fast. So all yen pair went up, so I just caught few of them. Okay, and I think that's about okay. On the 20th again, the USD all the way down here. This was the first one I showed you, and this is the second one here. When USD getting weaker, then it's getting weaker, right? Badly. And here again, pound Aussie. This is after the next day from 19th, as you saw the trade, and then the 21st actually here. This is the only trade on the 21st I had, which was a Friday. So here, nice entry here, and then it went up. I think this is it, right? So these are almost like 20 trades last week, and all by the book, by the system called Magic IB system, already. And if you like to be a part of it, and if you like to get the system, and then go my website, it is right here somewhere here. This is my website, myforexmagicwave.com. You can come here, you can use this subscribe button here and subscribe, or if you need in one-on-one training personally, or the Skype or other means. I have other means in some countries Skype is not allowed, so I have the other way. Through my webinar forum, we can talk to each other, and then I can show you my chart and help you set up the charts and everything else. So you can go here on one-on-one coaching page, and then you can sign up for one-on-one. There are a couple of options here. Okay, so this is how we're doing, and this is what I have done, and it's like again and again, week after week, the same story we repeat. If I can just quickly show you here, look, this is all the charts that I showed you. That's from this week. I still have to post, and you can go down here, you can see right here. See, this is between 10th and 14th February, right? The last week, and then all of these. Look at the setup. It's just the same setup, right? And everywhere, and the setup shows in every single pair. If you set up the charts, when you sign up, if you have difficulty in preparing these charts, I go on Skype or, like I said, other means, and then I help you out. All right, 20-30 minute call, and then I'll set up the charts on your computer. Look at this. This is the week on the ending 7th February. Again, same setup, all over the place. I take these entries with the setup. Look at the beautiful entries. Entries here, entry here, then again entry here, entry this, and this is pound USD. So many entries this system gives you. So anyway, so this is it for now. If you, like I said, if you want to be a part of it, just subscribe. And today is Saturday, so you can prepare your charts and get ready for Monday. And hopefully, once you subscribe, then I'll add you in my Telegram channel, where I constantly post post these setups and updates. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.